After the age of 60, digestion often begins to change in quiet but uncomfortable ways. Meals that once felt light and satisfying may suddenly leave a heavy feeling in the stomach. Bloating, trapped gas, and a sense of fullness can appear even after eating small portions. For many older adults, this discomfort slowly takes away the enjoyment of food. Some begin skipping meals, others start worrying that something serious is wrong. In many cases, however, the cause is not a serious disease, but a slower digestive system. As we age, stomach acid production may decrease, digestive enzymes may weaken, and the movement of food through the intestines can become slower. All of this makes the body more sensitive to certain foods and more likely to produce gas. Because of this, many seniors look for gentle remedies that can calm the stomach without adding more medications. One traditional remedy that has been used in many households for generations is carom seed water. Carom seeds, sometimes called carom or bishop's weed, contain natural compounds that help relax the digestive tract and reduce gas buildup. When used carefully and in small amounts, warm carom seed water can provide mild relief from bloating and post-meal discomfort. Carom seeds contain a natural oil called thymol. This compound is known for its ability to support digestion. When the digestive muscles are tense or when gas becomes trapped in the intestines, thymol may help relax those muscles slightly, allowing gas to move through the digestive tract more comfortably. This is why many traditional digestive remedies include carom seeds after heavy meals. For seniors who experience mild bloating, this gentle action may bring noticeable relief. However, it is important to remember that carom seed water is not a miracle cure. Severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, blood in the stool, or sudden weight loss should always be evaluated by a doctor. Natural remedies can support digestion, but they should never replace proper medical care when serious symptoms appear. If you would like to try carom seed water for mild bloating, the preparation is very simple and can be done in a few minutes in any kitchen. Start by measuring half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of whole carom seeds. For seniors, it is best to begin with the smaller amount until the body's reaction is known. Place the seeds in a small mortar and gently crush them. Crushing the seeds releases their natural oils, which helps the water absorb their digestive properties more effectively. Next, pour 1 cup of water into a small pot and add the crushed carom seeds. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. It does not need to boil vigorously. A soft simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes is enough. During this time, the warm water slowly extracts the aromatic oils from the seeds. After boiling, turn off the heat and allow the mixture to rest for another 5 minutes. This short steeping period allows the flavor and beneficial compounds to settle into the water. Once the mixture has cooled slightly, strain out the seeds so only the liquid remains. The water should be warm but not hot when drinking it. For seniors, starting with a small portion is the safest approach. Begin with about 1/4 to half a cup after a meal that caused bloating. This small amount is often enough to test how the body responds. If the stomach feels comfortable and no irritation occurs, some seniors may increase the amount slightly on another day, but it is generally recommended not to exceed 1 small cup per day. Using small amounts occasionally for relief is usually better than drinking large amounts regularly. Timing also plays an important role. Carom seed water is most helpful after meals, especially when bloating begins to appear. Drinking it on a completely empty stomach may sometimes cause irritation in people with sensitive stomachs. For this reason, many older adults find that taking a few warm sips, about 15 to 20 minutes after eating, works best. Another helpful habit is gentle movement. After drinking the warm infusion, a slow walk around the home for 5 to 10 minutes can encourage digestion and help move trapped gas through the intestines. Sitting completely still immediately after eating may slow digestion further, so light movement often works together with the remedy. While carom seed water is generally mild, it is still important to pay attention to the body's signals. If a burning sensation in the stomach appears, or if heartburn becomes worse, it is wise to stop using it. Some individuals have sensitive stomach linings that may react to strong spices, even in small amounts. Reducing the amount or discontinuing use is the safest choice if discomfort occurs. Caregivers should also be aware that many seniors take multiple medications each day. Although carom seeds are a natural food ingredient, strong herbal preparations can sometimes interact with medications or affect sensitive digestive systems. If a senior takes medicines for chronic conditions such as heart disease, blood pressure problems, or thyroid disorders, it is always wise to mention any regular herbal remedy to a healthcare professional. Another situation where caution is necessary is when the digestive symptoms are new and unexplained. Occasional bloating after meals is common, but persistent symptoms lasting several weeks should not be ignored. The digestive system can reflect many underlying conditions, and proper evaluation ensures that serious problems are not overlooked. When used carefully, carom seed water can be part of a broader approach to digestive comfort. Seniors often benefit from eating smaller meals, chewing food thoroughly, and avoiding very heavy, greasy foods late in the evening. Cooked vegetables, warm soups, and easily digestible grains are usually gentler on the stomach than large fried meals or highly processed snacks. Drinking enough water during the day also supports digestion and helps prevent constipation, which can contribute to bloating. It may also help to keep a simple record of meals and symptoms. A small notebook can be used to note what was eaten, whether bloating occurred, and whether the carom seed water helped. After a week or two, patterns often become clear. Certain foods may consistently trigger discomfort, while others are easily tolerated. This small habit can guide better food choices and reduce digestive distress over time. In the end, caring for digestion in later life is about patience and gentle adjustments rather than quick fixes. The body changes with age, but simple kitchen remedies, mindful eating habits, and careful observation can often restore comfort. A small cup of warm carom seed water, taken occasionally after a heavy meal, may provide soothing support for the stomach and help reduce uncomfortable bloating. For seniors and caregivers alike, the key is moderation, awareness, and listening to the body. When natural remedies are used thoughtfully and combined with healthy eating habits, they can become a simple part of maintaining comfort and well-being in everyday life.